When did you take a look at your Twitter profile the last time? Hi, I am PixelPia, and today I will talk about 5 steps you can take to improve your Twitter profile. I have actually updated this today, but before that it was quite a long time since I did anything. The first step is to make sure that your profile header, the picture here up at top, is up to date. If you have anything seasonal on it, you need to remember to update it. Step number 2 has to do with how your profile picture sits on your profile page. Make sure when you create your header that no important information is covered behind this profile picture. And talking about creating a Twitter header, on my other channel, Canva for Social Media, I will upload either tomorrow or on Thursday a video about how you can with ease create a Twitter header and make sure that you don't cover up any of the important information. So I will leave a link to that channel in the description. The third step is to make sure that you have optimized your bio. So by clicking here on Edit Profile, here you can change both your profile picture, your header, but also your bio. A couple of things to think about. You can put a URL link in your bio, but remember you only have 160 characters to use, so be very precise with what you put in there. What you should think about, on the other hand, is to add a couple of relevant hashtags. In this case, I added my PixelPia and I added hashtag Canva. And then you can always use a couple of emojis to spruce it up. What happens if I follow one of these hashtags? If I click on hashtag PixelPia, everything that has to do with my posts pops up where I have put a hashtag. I must admit that I am not always adding my hashtag, even though I know I should. If you didn't know, people can actually follow specific hashtags. So if you are interested in anything that has to do with Canva, for example, you can follow hashtag Canva. Another thing that is important to draw attention to what you do is to use images in your posts. You can be very selective with what tweets you pin to your profile page. By clicking on the 3 little dots, I can pin that to the top of my profile page. No matter how many tweets I put out, this will always be on top. And of course, I should have had a hashtag within the tweet. That is my tip number 5. Make sure that you always use the best possible hashtags for the post. I hope this inspired you to take a look at your own Twitter profile. In my next video, I will talk about what moments are on Twitter. So I hope to see you here then. Hej då!